Breaking news for Zimbabweans in Mozambique. Stay tuned for critical safety advice. Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique, Victor Mnangagwa, has issued a crucial safety warning. Due to escalating protests following the contested October 9 elections, Zimbabweans living in Mozambique are strongly advised to remain indoors. The protests, led by opposition supporters disputing Frelimo's victory, have turned violent, resulting in numerous casualties. The government's threat to deploy the army has heightened fears of further unrest. Neighboring South Africa has already closed its border with Mozambique, citing safety concerns. Essential services, including medical care, have been severely disrupted. International bodies like the European Union and Amnesty International have condemned the election irregularities and the government's response to the protests. As the chair of the Southern African Development Community, Zimbabwe is actively seeking a peaceful resolution through an emergency summit in Harare. For your safety, Ambassador Mnangagwa urges all Zimbabweans in Mozambique to stay indoors until the situation stabilizes. Your safety is paramount. Stay tuned for more updates. And remember, in times of crisis, staying informed is staying safe.